in today's list we changed these shock absorbers, one side and this one on the other side, and also we have a few exhaust leaks like this one and this one. So that's on today's job list. At first we change that shock absorber, then the other side, and then try to weld it. So it's -8 degrees here, but we got some heat, so I think we do this.
The old one looks longer than the new one. But it is quite clear that the old shock absorber is also completely non-functional, even though it looks healthy. Finally, I checked the bolts with a torque wrench. The information was mixed. One source claims 72 and 85 Newton meters of force. Another says 80 and 90 Newton meters of force. I chose the first option. On this side, the upper bolt unscrewed easily. However, the lower one was a bit rusty and unscrewed more difficultly. Of course, this work would be easier to do when the car is raised on a lift. Especially on this side, it becomes very uncomfortable to grip. Another hole that I didn't notice at first. Almost completely around.
Some GoPro isso. Ai, zametināsim, tā ir problēma. Kā jau sākumā teicu, uzliks ielāpu un... Viņš atmērīt. Pagaroja. Well, this side is too rusted. We can't use this. Or I can just cut off this rusted part, and I don't need so wide here. Yep. I will use here the exhaust sealing paste. Make up lamps here, then put it on and roll it around, and it goes nowhere. And yeah, in the next checklist we need this part new. today I do this shit because I have technical inspection soon, so I can't order in time this part. Just search in time and just later change all this part. It's fun. It's fun to do this job, as we can tell this job. Yeah, no, not tell. Call this job.
I put patches of not very high quality metal, because I think that in the future I will change this part for a new one. A short-term solution. However, after studying the prices of exhaust parts, I now understand that it will probably be a long-term solution. For example, the price of an exhaust muffler drum starts at €60. The holes were in 3 separate parts. The total price of the parts to be replaced would already be considerable. For that price, I am ready to work with nonsense again. Rusted and burnt metal is difficult to weld. And even more so if your welding skills are not at all up to par. It burned through in many places. In others, the wire didn't stick at all. Now I'm a little sorry that I chose such a simple welding machine. I really miss the option to adjust the wire feed speed. That's how we gain experience. And yet, this flux core welding machine is the optimal one for my garage workshop. Because I simply would not have enough space for a carbon dioxide gas cylinder or for moving such a large welding machine to the required location.
Is the result. I added a few patches here and the sealing paste for exhaust. It was not so bad, so I think it holds a time. Yeah. So, and the exhaust also, this is patch, seal it with the paste, and also here. So now let's try to put it back. Ja?
Ja.
Ну ладно. That's it. Let's put the back wheel.